Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning to my students. So we are simultaneously being solving two exercises because of the on demand, because it was on demand. I think I have already covered uh, four questions from 7.5, and I'll be doing the rest of the questions from 7.1 first, and then I'll be going to on demand session. So if I got some time, so I'll be doing uh, 7.4 on demand questions. What is 7.4 on demand age? Okay. uh Very interesting questions coming ahead of us now. So let me start with question number 5, exercise 7.1. And as I always show you, the book you are going studying is this one. Page, yes, page is 139. And question number 5. Question number 5, part A. Okay, let me read the question first. For each of the following shape, you are given the area and the other measurement. Find the unknown length in each. Now the area has been given to us. Now we have to reverse the process. We have to uh, climb downwards now, and we have to find the length which is unknown to us, uh, which is given in some sort of age or x or y or whatsoever. So first A is, no, it is very interesting and very easy questions. So need not to worry. The area which is given is given 24 centimeter square. 24 centimeter square. Okay, and the age is not given to us. Now this is the age which is not given to us and has been asked. Age. Now write the data first and then go for the solution. Okay, and this base has been given, which is equal to 8 centimeters. Okay, base B is equal to 8 centimeter. My dear students, note that whenever there is linear unit, it has no power on it. But this is not linear. This is a square unit. So because of two dimensions. Okay. Now you know or you remember the area of triangle. Area of triangle was half base into height. Half base into height, as you know it, and we have to find the height which is unknown to us. Okay, now area has been given. Those now manipulate the values, each value which you are given with. So we are left with 24 now. 24 centimeter square, and you will see that how this square will be removed. Okay, now half as it is, because it is a permanent value, it is a constant, and base is 8, and age is unknown to us. Okay, now age should be in centimeters. Okay, age should be in centimeters. Now this is also in centimeters. I forget to write it 4 times. Okay, 4 times. Now what I have to find is age. Okay, now we have I'll just swap the sides. Now I am going to write only the values. Okay, it is equal to 24. 4. Now 4 was in centimeters, remember. 4 was in centimeter. uh, you can write or you just avoid them, because if you write it you will just make some mistake. Therefore I am not going to write it. So by removing 4 from here, we'll get this 4 6 times. Now I told you that how the uh, square has been removed. Now you see that this h was in centimeter. Okay. Now this is for your understanding only. You need not to write this. Now this is 4 centimeter. Now we have to find only the h. So this 4 centimeter will go along with this. Okay, 4 centimeter. Now here it was 4 centimeter square. Now this centimeter will cut the square and it will remain 6 centimeter. Okay. Now the h is will 6 centimeter. B part is very simple. It is simple rectangle, and I have to find B out of it. Let me explain it. I'm not going to solve it. B part. This is the B part. Okay. This is the B part, and I have to find this B. Yes, I have to find this B only. Uh, this part is given 17 centimeter and 289 centimeter square. As you know, the area of area, you know what is the area of rectangle is equal to L into B. So just write 289, and you know the length L, you don't know B. So just uh, divide it with 17, we'll get the answer. Okay. Now part C. If you remember all the areas, uh, you will easily be able to do the questions. Now this is a rhombus. This is a rhombus with one side at right angle. Okay, maybe it is at right angle, but two sides are converging and two are parallel. So this is part number C now. Part C. Now part C is like this. Now you see that though this sign is given over here, this sign is also given over here, which means that these are at right angle. Now it also means that the two are, when these are at right angle, that means the two are parallel. The two are parallel and these are two converging. So it is very easy again. It is 132 centimeter square. Area is 132 centimeter square, and this side is 14 centimeter. It means it is the height. It means it is the height, and this side is 16 centimeter. Now remember, the area of rhombus was half. Area of rhombus was half, and the sum of two sides. Now what is asked over here is A. I just forget to write it. Now this is B. This is B. You remember the area, it is equal to area of rhombus. Now area of rhombus was half A plus B, the summation of the parallel side, the summation of parallel side, or the sum of parallel sides, the sum of parallel sides multiplied by each. Now everything is over here. You know A, we don't know A. B is given 16, H is given 14, area is given 132. Just manipulate everything and you will get. Now this is half. A is unknown to us. A is unknown to us. B is 16, right? B is equal to 16 and 14. Now also area is given over here is 132. Okay. Now you see that this half is cancelling this 14 with 7. Now my dear students, we have cancelled this 14 with this 2. Now the rest of the question is like this. Implies by is equal to 7a multiplied 7a plus 7 with 16. 7 with 16 now. Now this is 112. 16 times 7 is 112. Just shift, or let me swap the sides first. 7a plus 112 is equal to 132. Now remove this 112 from here. It will become 132 minus 112. 132 minus 112. It will become 20. A is equal to 20 upon 7. You can also convert this in fractions, which may be equal to 20 divided by 7, that is equal to 2.85. Now if the question says you, okay, now this question is okay, but if it says you to write the in significant figures, so it is all approximately equal to 3 centimeters. Now one more question from this, and that is very much interesting question. Now you see that this figure is given. Part is question number 5. Part is E, the last part, E. Now this side is given 18 from here to here. Okay. Area is also given 200 centimeter square. This side is given 6 cm. Okay. And I have to find the h over here. Find the h. This one. Only this h from here to here. Okay. Now this is also given as 6 centimeter. This is given that the sides are equal, and also the sign of perpendicular or right angle. Now very easy. It is very much easy to find the height over here, because you see that this 18, when this is 18, the two sides are at right angle, obviously, then this is also 18 over here. From here to here. From here to here. It is also 18. Now, half base into height. Now, how does we know the area? We don't have the area of this triangle. Now, this has been a triangle now. You see, this has been a triangle now. We know the base, that is 18, because of this. This is 18. But we don't know the area of this triangle. The consolidated area, which is given as 200 centimeters. Now we have to cut the area from this square. Now this, you might have seen the envelope. Now this is an unfolded envelope. So the whole area is 200 centimeters square. But we'll separate this area from this area, then we'll find the height. There is no other way to find the height. So it is 6, it is 18. The area of the square is area of the square. The area of the square, or the rectangle, because this is rectangle. This is 6 centimeter. This is 18 centimeter. This is area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. You can also You can also name it like this: A, B, C, D. Rectangle A, B, C, D, and this may be E. Okay, this may be E. Now, area of rectangle B is equal to, the area of rectangle is length into breadth. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. 6 multiplied by 18 is our 6 multiply, or you can write, because L is coming at first, write at first and then equal to 18 multiplied by 6 now. 18 multiplied by 6 is 108. Okay. Now this is 108 centimeter square. 108 centimeters square. Now you see that the area, this area from here to here, from here to here, from here, this colored area is 108 centimeter, whereas what is given 200 centimeter, because this is the area of whole envelope. Okay, now we'll subtract the area. Total area is equal to 200 centimeter. Area of triangle now. Area of triangle BCE. BCE is equal to 200 minus 108. 200 minus 108, what will become? 92 centimeter square. 92 centimeters square. Now, since we have come across with the area of this triangle, this triangle is 92 centimeters square. Now we can easily find, because area of triangle is equal to half base into height. We also know the base area is now 92. Half is half, base is 18, height is unknown. Okay, cut this over from right from here. 9 2 times and 9 1 times, and it will come in again in points. Okay, it will be coming in points. Now this will be equal to h is equal to 85.77, or nearly equal to 86 centimeters. Now simply divide 92 with this 9, it will become 10.22 centimeters. 10.22 centimeters. Now h is equal to 10.22 centimeters, and you can just remove this because this is under 5.5, under 0.5. When this is under 0.5, you can just abolish this. This is equal to, nearly equal to 10 centimeters. Okay. Now question number 5 has been completed. Now there are some practical questions ahead of us. Question number 6. Question number 6 says, how many 20 by 30 centimeter rectangular tiles? Now this path is given to us like this. Okay, now this path is given to us, and also all the measurements are given: 4.8 meters, 2.6 meters. This is 4.8, 2.6. Now this height is 0.9 meters, and this is 1.7 meters, and all these are at right angle. Now this question is same as I did it in part C, no, 4D. Same question. Now we'll find the area of the whole rectangle. Area of whole rectangle, which is 48 multiplied by 27, 2.6. 48 area of this whole rectangle. Consider that this is the whole. Now this is a cutout. This is a cutout because this is a pavement. Okay, this is a pavement and we have to fix the tiles in this. Now this is 2.6. This is 4.8. Just forget these two. Yes. Okay. Now we have to find the area of whole rectangle. The area of whole rectangle is 4.8 multiplied by 2.6. 4.8 multiplied by 2.6 will be 4.8 multiplied 2.6. Now it will become 12.48 meters square. 12.48 meters square. Now the area of this one, only the cutout, area of cutout, cut out. This is the cutout piece. 0.9 multiplied by 0.9 multiplied by 1.7. 1.7. Now this is 1.53 meters square. Now this area. Now I have to subtract this area from this whole to get the area of this U-shaped pavement. U-shaped pavement. Now it was 12.48 minus 1.53. Minus 1.53 will be 12.48. It will become 10.95 meters square. Now the area, this U-shape area, U-shape area is equal to 10.95 meters square. Now, what is our other requirement is, now this is in meter square. Remember that this is in meter square. The tile size is given into centimeters. Now the tile size is, what is the tile size? Now this is the tile size which is given. This is 20 centimeters and this is 30 centimeters. So this is the tile size. Just ignore the wastage, okay, because it has not been given to us. Just ignore the wastage from the tiles. Now we have to find the area. We have to find how many tiles will be fixed in this area, U-shape area of 20 centimeter to 30 centimeter. Now this 12.48 and minus the area of this cutout will become 10.95 U-shape area. Now this is the U-shape area. This is the U-shape area on which we have to fix the tile of this size. This is the tile whose size is 20 into 30 centimeters, and when now this area has in is what we find, this area is in meter, because this is meters given are everywhere, meters are given. So the area which has been found is in meter square, whereas the size of the tile is given in the centimeters. So it is this tile. One tile measures 20 centimeter by 30 centimeter. The area of tile is this in centimeters. Area of tile is centimeter. One tile measures this much. Now when we have to multiply, either we have to change this centimeter into meters, or we have to change this meter into centimeters. Either you go to the meters or you go to the centimeters. Since it is not given to find the area in which unit. So it is up to you that in which unit you want to find. Okay. Now if I change this into centimeter square, because we have to find the total amount of tiles. So I go for the lower units. So you see that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and 1 meter square 1 meter square, when you 1 meter square means 1 meter multiplied by 1 meter is equal to into centimeter. So 1 meter square is equal to centimeter is 100, then again 100. Now it will become 1000, four zeros. Okay. Now we have to multiply it with four zeros. That means with 10,000. With 10,000. Okay, my dear students, it is coming very easy now. Multiplied by 1000, it will be 109500 centimeter square. Now it has been changed into centimeter square. Now this unit, which was in meter square, has been changed into centimeter square. Now we'll divide it with the area of the tiles. Area of the tile. Now this is the area of tile. Go with these two zeros, okay, and then just 1095 divided by 6 only. That is equal to 182.5 tiles. Now this is not in centimeters. This is in units only, per units. So 182.5 tiles will be fixed in this area. 182 tiles will be fixed in this area. Okay, now ignoring the wastage of the tiles. Now since we don't have when you go to the tile shop, he will not give you 0.5 tile, he will give you a full tile. So we have to purchase 183 tiles. We have to purchase. Now this is with the minimum wastage. Okay, now it is 100 and see how I calculated. Now question number 8. Find for each of the following, draw rough sketches giving dimensions. Okay, not to scale, find the area. Now you can do it. Question number 8 and 9 by yourself. Okay. Now some questions from 7.4 exercise. Exercise 7.4. Exercise exercise 7.4 is on demand. Okay. When its turns come, I'll repeat some of the questions. Now the question was, I was doing question number 3. Now question number 3C. Now some students just find it difficult that how these figures are made. They don't understand the figures. Now if you understand the figure, then to solve it, it is very easy. Now you see that this is the arc length given. This is the circular line. You see that this is the circular line. Similarly, here it is also circular line from here to here. And this whole portion of this whole portion which is left after these are after these sectors. Now this is one sector, this is the other sector. Now the portion left after making these sectors, we have to find its what we have to find its area and perimeter. We have to find the area and perimeter, both, and perimeter. Okay, we have to find it. Now what are the dimensions given? Now both of the angles are 30 degree. Now these both angles are 30 degree. Now I may tell you that we can also find the area and perimeter of the circular, only the circular things in radians. But I don't know you have been taught with the radians or not. But I'll tell you what are the radians in when the exercise is finished. Okay. Now this is 30-degree angle. What else is given to us? Is now this side is 12 what meters. This side is 12 meter from here to here, and this side is 5 meter from here to here. Now we have to find the area and perimeter of this portion only, and the to every nook and corner except these two sectors. Except these two sectors. Now this is one sector, this is the other sector. Now hopefully the sectors are of the same. When we'll find the area and perimeter of one sector, we'll be able to find the area and sector of the other sector. Now these sectors are of same dimensions. Okay, maybe in drawing you may not feel. Let me do it. Now this is a little like this. Now something are visible to you that these are almost equal. This is freehand. Now this is 30-degree angle, this is 30-degree angle, the arc length over here, arc length over here, radius over here, radius over here, radius over here, radius over here. Okay, understand? Now from my lecture you must have understood that this is the radius, this is the radius of this, which is given in the rectangular form. This is the radius. Now we have to find the arc length first, and you know the what is the arc length. Arc length is 2 pi r. When you say 2 pi r, okay, multiplied by theta upon 360. Okay, theta upon 360. Now, my dear students, what is 2 pi r? Let me do it over here. Is equal to 2 we know, pi we know, r we know, theta we know, 360 we know. Wow. So, what is the difficulty in this? We have come to know the arc length of this one. Arc length of this one. Now this is the arc length, the circular path of both. This is also the arc length. AL, this is also AL, this is also arc length. Okay, this is the radius, this is the radius, this is the radius, this is the radius. Okay, now let me make it little simpler for you. 3 1 times and 3 2 times. And this again cancels this 6 times. Okay, now we are left with some few of the dimensions or numerics. This is 3.14 multiplied by 5. Anything other? Nothing. Divided by which is divided by 6. 2.61. 2.61 is the 2.61 is the arc length meters. It is in meters. 2.61 meters. Now this is 2.61 meters. Now, my dear students, then we have to find the perimeter. Now what, and the perimeter of the shaded portion only, which is in yellow in your book. It is in yellow in your book. Now when we have to find the perimeter of only the shaded. Now consider this point as a starting point. Consider this point as a starting point. So you see that this nook, you have to start from this nook as well. Now they we go from here, okay. Then we come with the circular path. Then we'll consider this radius back to this longer length, shorter length, which is breadth, and then again to the circular path. Now consider it. We have to find the. I am going to again. Maybe I have told you this. Now this is not considered. From this starting point, we'll go from here to here, then the circular path, then the radius, then the longer side, then again the radius and back to the starting point. Now this is the right. Maybe I have told you something wrong. Okay. Now what? Now you see that this arc length is equal to this arc length. So we have two arc lengths. So just add these two arc lengths, 2 and 5. Now this is 5.22. Just forget the meters. Okay. Then the radii. Now radii is 5. There are two radii. Again two radii. That is 10. Two radii because this radii you have also to consider and this radii you have also to consider. Both the arc lengths are been added. Both the arc lengths have been added. Both the radii have been added. Now both the sides are fully included in what it is shaded. So 12 plus 12. 12 plus 12 is 24. Okay. Now this is the total shaded thing. Both the arc lines, both the radii, and both the lengths. Okay. Now just add these. It will become 22939. 39.22 meter is the perimeter of the shaded portion. It is correct. Now this is correct now. Now we have to find the area as well. Now what will we do? We will find the area of one sector. It is much simpler than this procedure. The area of sector, one sector. The area of one sector is pi r square multiplied by theta upon 360. Is this the area? Okay, now it will become 3.14 multiplied by 5 the whole square, and theta is 30 divided by 3. Cancel this and with this also. Okay, 3 one time and 3 two times. Okay, now it has become 1 upon 12. Now just I am shifting this more further over here. 1 4 multiplied by 25 divided by 12. Now 5 times 25. Just don't wonder that where this 25 has come from. This is the square of 5. 25 is the square of 5. 3.514 is there. 12 is also there. So just calculate this. 3.14 multiplied by 25 and it is divided by 12. It will become 6.54. Now this is the area of one sector. Now we have two sectors over here. Now multiply it with 2. Multiply it with 2. It will become 13.08. Just ignore 08 from here. Okay, it is 13 meters square because it is given in meters. 13 meters square. Okay. Now this is 13 meters square. Now the area of this rectangle. Whole rectangle is 12. 12 multiplied 5, 60 meters square. Very simple. Just 60 meters square. It is 60 meters square. Just subtract these two sectors from here. 13. It will become 7 and 5, 4. 47 meters square. Now the area is 47 meters square. Okay, it is correct answer. Now my dear students, if you still find any difficulty in these questions, you can ask me in the comment below, or if you want to come online with me, this is at your will. My WhatsApp number is 034550729779, and I think you know my name. It is Tanveer, and I always write it with W double E. Okay, now this is my WhatsApp number. you can come on this online anytime, but before coming online you may just give me a message on WhatsApp. Okay, so I be ready. So it is 20, by now it has time to say you goodbye, and it's also time to sign off. Allah Hafiz.